Well, hello, and welcome to the Content Modeling Show. I'm Marcelo Lewin, the Headless creator, and you can reach out and to me at marcelo@headlesscreator.com. Today, I am going to be doing episode 13, and we're going to be looking at the Canva.com knowledge base support site, which I think is a really good one. We're going to review it. But we'll be looking at that and modeling that site, modeling some of the knowledge base articles that they have and see what we could do. I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing this just live. I studied it for about 15 minutes and I think I have a pretty good sense of what that content model may look like, but we'll see. You're going to be testing me here live, so I do want to, before we get started, I want to remind you about headlesscreator.com, which, let me show you, there you go. You can go to headlesscreator.com and look for all the shows. I have lots of episodes. You can see episode 1 through 12 of the Content Modeling Show there. I also have a couple of other shows, the Contentful User Show, the Contentful Dev Show, the Contentful Changelog Show, and the Headless Creator Podcast, which will have a new episode this Friday published. So for every content model show, whenever you go into it, you'll be able to see every episode there. And when you click on a specific one, you can see here you'll have the ability to get the content model. You just click on View Content Model, and that's going to open up the Miro board that we're going to be working on today. So welcome to those of you that just joined us. If you have any questions, feel free to type them in the comments area, and I will try to answer it for you. But we're going to go ahead and get started. Again, this is the Content Modeling Show episode 13. And we're going to be talking about the Canva.com knowledge base support site, which I think they actually have a really great knowledge base. So let me make sure I have everything covered here at the beginning. Oh yeah, I want to remind you to follow me everywhere on social media, YouTube, LinkedIn. You can see right up there. Somewhere, I can never do the finger thing there. Up there, you can see all of the links. Feel free to follow me, and I'll zoom in here, and you can see there's the links to all of my. Follow me on Twitch. Make sure you follow me so that way I have more followers there. That helps in attracting more users. Same with LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, everything. Just go ahead and follow me. Okay, so let's get started. I think that covers everything. We'll go ahead and get started. Here's my standard template for content modeling. For those of you that follow me all the time, you know this is what I use, and I have some standards here. If you don't know about all these standards, just watch the previous episodes and you'll learn everything there. Okay, so the first thing we want to do, let's go ahead and review the Canva support site. So I'm going to go to right here. Here we go. And Canva, for those of you that don't know, is a website where you can design graphics. I used it for, I created an iOS app, and I used it to create little icons and stuff. Anyway, they're not paying me or anything. I like looking at different websites and their knowledge base and support help site. And I found this one to be like really, really neat. I really like how they organize everything. I thought, okay, it would be great to model this. So that's what I'm going to do. All right, so as you can see, obviously you can search for a topic up here. That's pretty standard stuff. That's not a problem. But on the left, you can see here below, you can see we have categories. So we have a whole bunch of categories. So for example, you have the Getting Started category. And Getting Started, you have Introduction to Canva, Account Setup. Within that, then you have the actual document. So you can see here's Welcome to Canva, right? If we go to account setup, there's multiple documents. Create your document, update your personal profile, so on and so forth. And then on the right, you have a document which we're going to analyze and figure out, okay, how do we break this document apart for proper reuse? Because one of the things we want to do is we want to have reusable content modules. And as we analyze each content, you'll see they kind of have these standards, and maybe they did this already on their back end. I don't know what kind of system they're using, what CMS, or how they structure their content. This is going to be how I would have structured this content if I was in charge of setting this up for them. So the goal of modeling this is going to be reusability, right? Being able to reuse all of these knowledge-based articles in different sections, making it easy to maintain. Maybe we can figure out a way to easily identify outdated content. I'm going to suggest a way of doing that. And then, of course, being able to display the knowledge-based articles via various omni-channel deliveries, right? Like if you can display it on the mobile device, maybe in-app, maybe on the web, maybe IoT in the future, who knows? Anyway, so that's the goal. Why don't we reviewed